Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm looking at these gorgeous apartments here at the East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. The East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. I'm kind of captivated by this pool. I've been here before, but I need you to see this pool. Look at this. I mean, first of all, right off the pool deck, you've got fantastic views of downtown Dallas. It's one of the coolest pools literally I've ever seen, not because of the pool itself, all of that is good, but these views are just phenomenal. You can see the city all around. It's a sunny, a little bit slightly overcast day, but it's sunny, but visually the pool is just stunning. So you've got views here where you can just grab maybe some wine or water, and you could just take in and see these incredible views of Dallas and just enjoy it with a friend. And then over here, by the way, is 75, so you've got that over here as well. You also have additional spots to sit in. This is a pretty phenomenal area. Could not have a better pool experience in here. All right, just had to get this on film for you to see it. And now let's go take a look at some apartments. Can't wait to see those as well. If you have questions at any time or you're ready to take a virtual tour, that's what I'd recommend, virtual tour. It's free. Send me a text and we'll set that up for you. It'll be free and live.